Hello everyone, welcome to WP Unichat. This is a powerful new plugin that will put you in direct conversations with your website visitors no matter what messaging platform they are on. WP Unichat is 100% mobile compatible and integrates all the major messaging platforms including WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, SMS, and many more. Ready to find out more? Let's get started with it. So now I'm gonna show you how it works. Now let's say I am a visitor of your website and I would like to send you a message regarding your brand. Now all I have to do, okay, as you can see on the bottom right corner of the screen, there is a chat widget or icon. Now all I have to do is to click on that one, and the widget will then prompt a short message. Now right below that message, there are icons. These are actually the different messaging platform that I can use to get in touch with you, or your visitors, your website visitors can use to get in touch with you. Now let's go ahead and try to send you a message through Facebook. So now all you have to do is to click on it. It will then prompt a new window. Now if you are not currently logged into your Facebook, this window right here will ask for your login credentials for your Facebook account. And after logging in, it will show you this this window. Now to send out a message, all I have to do is to type in my message right here in this field, and then click on send. Now as you can see, it is now showing that our message has successfully been sent. If you want to send another Facebook message, all I have to do is to click on send another, or let's use another platform. Let's try to use Skype. Now for Skype, again, same as the Facebook, it will prompt another window. It will ask you to sign in. Just click on that one, and then it will ask for your Skype login credentials. So all you have to do is to type it in, then click on sign in. There, it will actually provide you a chat box that you can use to communicate with the website owner. So let me go ahead and type in my message and then click on send. Okay, so that's how your customers or your website visitor can use or can utilize this amazing feature for the Unichat plugin. So now let's move on and talk about how to install it, and we will also discuss about setting up the admin page. So now we'll move on and show you how to install the WP Unichat plugin to your WordPress website. So we are now on our WordPress dashboard. You can actually install and utilize it on any WordPress platform you are using. So first things first is to download the WordPress Unichat plugin zip file, which you can get from your membership. Then log into your WordPress website and go to the dashboard. Now to install our Unichat plugin, all you have to do is to go on the left part of the screen and hover your mouse over to plugins. Then click on add new. After that, it will take you to another page. Just go to the upper portion of it and then click on upload plugin. Here you can upload the downloaded zip file. To do that, just click on choose file. Then search for the zip file you have saved on your computer. Then double click on it and then click on install now. It will then direct you to another page. Here the system will tell you if plugin installation was successful or not. And now as you can see, it shows plugin installed successfully. Click on activate plugin. Okay, now after doing so, you will notice on the left hand portion of the screen you will have an additional plugin we have just installed. On this part, I'll be showing you how to use the admin page. This is if you want to manipulate your WP Unichat plugin to appear on your website. So we are now looking at our WordPress dashboard. Go to the left-hand portion of the screen and select UnichatBox. This is the plugin that we have just installed a while ago. It will then take you to our Unichat form. Now you can select the chat mode. We have show chat icon, show chat widget, as well as delay in widget pop-up. Now for show chat icon, you can use this. Let's say you only want to receive messages to a particular platform. Now to do that, all you have to do is put a mark on show chat icon, then scroll down and select from the messaging platform that we have here. So let's say I only want to receive messages using my Skype. So put check mark or put a mark on Skype. Now let me go ahead and show you what it looked like on the website. Let's click on save settings. Then after that, let's go back to let's go to our website. Alright, as you can see on the bottom right corner of the screen, it is not showing the chat widget anymore. It shows Skype icon. And once you hover your mouse over it, it will show you chat with us on Skype. So this is the only platform that my website visitor will be able to reach me at. Now let's go back to our Unichat form. Now for show chat widget, pretty much that was actually what we have discussed a while ago, but we will be showing you how you will be able to set this up. So just choose show chat widget. The good thing about show chat widget, it will actually give visitors freedom to choose from all the messaging platform they can reach you with. And also, if you want to receive messages from your visitors on all your available messaging site, this is the right option for you. Now, after putting mark on show chat widget, just scroll down and make sure that all of the platform here has a check mark. But you can also have an option if, let's say, you don't want to receive any messages to your Facebook account. You can just click on the Facebook to put or to uncheck that one. Now let's see how it will look like on your website. So let's save these settings. And then let's go to our website. Okay, now on the bottom right corner of the screen, the Skype icon was gone. And the widget or the chat widget is back. So once you click on that one, you will notice on the icons below for the different messaging platform that we are not seeing the Facebook, which apparently we just put unchecked or we have unselected. So we have WhatsApp, Skype, but we don't see the Facebook icon. Now let's move on and go back to our Unichat form. Now for the delay in the widget pop-up, this is where you can set the delay of when you want the icon to appear on your website while on widget mode. You can select number in minutes. And when you scroll down for chat options, you will also have the capability to change the contact information for each messaging platform. All you have to do is to just edit the one that is showing here. Now for the upload company logo, you can upload a JPEG file. Just click on upload, then select the picture that you want to appear on your chat widget. You can select from the pictures in your media library, or you can also click on upload file to upload directly from your computer. After selecting the logo or any image you want, just click on select on the right hand or bottom right hand side of the screen. Now on the chat prompt message, Here you can type in the message you want to launch when visitor click on the widget chat icon. You can also change text appearance here by changing it to italic, bold, or change the text color. Now let's go ahead and show you where this actually will be showing up on your website. So let's go to our website. This is actually the chat prompt message. You can put in any welcome message that you want to your visitors to see when they click on your chat widget. Now let's go back to our Unichat form. So after reviewing the selected settings, you can simply click Save Settings to start running it to your website. So that's all for our WP Unichat plugin. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you everyone for watching.